My name's Archie. I'm the head of projects at Cookson Adventures. I lead the team of project managers here in researching, wrecking, planning and hosting our client trips. We've got the expert contacts, authority and track record to ensure that your travel makes a genuine difference. We always try and make each participation in a conservation project as experiential and educational as possible. For instance, in a rhino translocation, it's an incredibly hectic and chaotic environment. There are a number of jobs that genuinely need to be done, from monitoring the animal's temperature, to keeping the rhino cool, to helping apply the blindfolds. With our global network of scientists, conservationists and authorities, we're constantly on the lookout for innovative projects, always doing our full due diligence to ensure that they make a difference. Then we take the time to get to know our clients and match them with the causes that are closest to their hearts. That could be bringing along scientists on an Antarctic yacht charter to discover a new species of orca, or using seabed mapping to discover new dive sites and share that data with local universities. This not only means that our clients get to learn directly from pioneers in the field, often as a family, but they'll have access to behind-the-scenes experiences they otherwise wouldn't. We are particularly proud of our work in the Galápagos. By working closely with the national park, our guests have had the rare chance to experience environmental work up close, including measurement of juvenile hammerheads and geotagging giant tortoises, tracking their movement to ensure their habitat is safely preserved. Bringing our guests in to that environment and getting them to see it firsthand was really impactful and really showed them just what it takes to keep these projects going on a day-to-day basis. We work closely with people on the ground, helping preserve traditional ways of life and discovering local secrets. That could be sharing seabed mapping data with Fijian chiefs or helping release turtle hatchlings on a Costa Rican beach. Not only are all of our trips carbon offset, but we work with our clients very closely to ensure that we support a number of projects on the ground to impact the destinations that they're traveling in. In all, we look to build in conservation opportunities into our trips wherever possible. They allow our clients to participate in and learn from experiences and experts they wouldn't otherwise have access to, all while having a genuinely positive impact.